Well, hello again, and this is another lesson using Autodesk Inventor Professional 2022. It's on the server, and today I'll show you some tips on how to make an incredible lighthouse. So one thing to start with is to get some inspiration. So what I did is I went to the Google search and typed out modern lighthouse, and I found a 3D version that I kind of liked the idea that that's what I was thinking. And I also started searching around and finally came up with a real lighthouse that looked like this. I thought this lent itself well to how you could make things in Autodesk Inventor. So I decided this would be my reference. So just print screen, however you do that. And in my case, I go to Paint, paste this, and I'm going to crop it down. Let's just crop it like so. Actually, I'm going to crop it more close to the ground level. And that'll be about 50 feet. Save as, and I'm going to save it as a lighthouse and change the style maybe to JPEG. And it's going to be in my downloads folder. Skip ahead a bit, and I wanted to show you that I made a folder called Lighthouse on my Google Drive, and I put that graphic image in my folder. All pieces, everything to do with the lighthouse must go in this lighthouse folder. So without further ado, let's actually get to the modeling. I've opened up the Autodesk Inventor Professional, and I'm just going to make a little piece of cardboard for a template. Started to a new IPT on the XY plane. I'm going to draw a piece of cardboard, and I'm going to make it about 2, and then hit tab, and then 4.25. At the 1/44th scale, that's just over 50 feet high. And then I want to finish sketch and extrude it like 0.125. It's just a little piece of cardboard, 1/8 of an inch thick. Now I'm going to start a 2D sketch, select the face of this, go to the image, and now I'm navigating to my lighthouse folder where I find my lighthouse image and open, select it. You see there it is, and I'm going to scale this to the point where it's just about the same size as that cardboard. See, and I think it's just a little bit shorter, which is exactly what I want. Place it right in the middle. Finish sketch. Put a decal by going click once, click twice. Okay. And there I have something on which to draw and create my actual 3D lighthouse. Now I'm going to start a 2D sketch, select the top of this, and draw a line right down the middle. And then over to the side, and then up. So I'll try to follow this. And being that it's my own lighthouse, I'm just going to make sure that I create it how I want it. Let's see, I can use arcs here, 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 here. Now what I'm doing is the platform. This should be straight 90 degrees, right? Straight across. I am going to go straight across with this, so I decided to go like with a little bit of an arch here. You can also do, remember, it's your design. Trim off this all the way to the bottom. Now, I can select my shape, go Control C, make a new file. File, new, standard IPT, create, start a 2D sketch on the XY plane, right click, paste, finish sketch, revolve this, and this, select the axis here. Okay. And now I return to my previous, and I'm going to make this into a hexagon shape. Okay. So you can start a 2D sketch on this surface. Under rectangle, there's a polygon, and you can change this. I think 6 would be good, actually. You start in the middle, drag out my shape. Done. You can see shape there. I'm going to finish sketch, extrude, and then make sure that this shape. Okay. Now I have a lighthouse, nice lighthouse. Can put a plane on here. Go to the origin folder. Maybe I'll use the XY plane. Remember how I said to turn it sideways? You grab this, just move it to the side, check. Now face it again. Start a 2D sketch. Here's my doorway. I'll return to the rectangle. My door will be right here. It's got to be 0.55 tall. So I'll make it 0.2 tab 0.55, enter. And this must be right here. That's my door. Put it right in the center. Finish sketch, extrude, and cut the other direction. Look at it sideways and make sure that it just cuts in a little bit. Click OK. There's my door. And you can do the same thing with Windows. Start a 2D sketch. Click here. Saw window. In here. Extrude. Cut. Okay. That's the beginning. Right click. Turn off visibility. That's the beginning of a lighthouse. You can use these techniques for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Good luck creating your own lighthouse.